Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to build chatbots with Microsoft Azure and Louis. The outline of this course is going to be like, first we will discuss what actually a chatbot is. Then we will talk about what are the advantages of building a chatbot and what are the industry use cases. Then we will see how we can use Louis provided by Microsoft Azure to build our chatbots. We'll talk briefly about Louis. Then we'll see how to create account or sign in. Then we'll talk about our own custom intents and entities. And then we will test our Louis app in the web portal and we'll see what is our confidence for individual intents. Then we'll talk about Microsoft Azure a bit. We'll see what are the necessary apps that we need to build for creating our chatbots. For example, we'll build a web app and we'll build a bot channel integration for our chatbot. Then we'll talk about the business problem, what we are going to achieve by building this chatbot. After that, we'll do a deep dive into the bot builder framework for Python. We'll talk about the basics. We'll see how to implement all the things, whatever we are trying to achieve for our business problem using Python. Once we have the app developed and we have tested it using the bot emulator, we will deploy it to cloud. And after that, once we have tested that cloud deployment as well, we'll go ahead and we'll build the bot channel registration. Once we have that bot channel or once we have our bot on Azure cloud, we'll talk about deployment, how to integrate it to a website or how to integrate it with Telegram messaging app.